Hi everybody, it's Barbara Leska, your favorite realtor again. You may have already watched my video about my experience with the different disaster loans for businesses, but I want to share some information that's important really to everybody. There's a lot of information going around about mortgage forbearance, and so banks are being overrun by people calling for this. You need to be very sure you understand what that means. The payments won't be forgiven. There's not some entity out there paying your mortgage. They're going to delay it. We don't know exactly what that's going to look like. And the last time they did this, the servicers didn't necessarily report this correctly to the credit bureaus, which caused really a credit mess for people who used it. So be careful. If you can pay your mortgage, keep paying it. If you can't, talk to your bank, but understand it's not just a free money forgivable that you didn't pay your mortgage. The other thing I kind of want to mention, if you've got a home equity line of credit, you might want to consider pulling some of that now. If you don't need the money, just pay it back later. Before in the past, we've seen banks pull that. That's not necessarily going to happen now because in the last 10 years, they've significantly tightened the underwriting for qualifying and getting money. Like, you actually have to qualify for it, which I think is a vast improvement. But just in case, to make sure you've still got working cash if you need it, you might consider doing that. I'll be back with some more information about the market tomorrow. And in the meantime, sales are staying pretty strong. We still see closings pretty well on par. Contracts are definitely being written. Like today, in the last 24 hours, we had 618 new listings, 126 contracts written, and 212 closings. So we're still going on. It's still turning. Conventional rates have bounced back down to in the threes. FHA is still a little bit more volatile because it's through a different system than conventional. The Fed has been buying up the mortgage-backed securities, which help the banks keep those rates low. We bounced around for the last couple of weeks, but now it seems to be stable again. So if you're interested in any of these things, if you're wondering about your loans, please call me. We can discuss real estate. I can also make sure that you get really good financial banking loan stuff, advice. So I'm here if you need me. So as always, stay safe, stay healthy, stay sane, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.